Shut up and sit down.
Hello again, gang. Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And what have we got for you today? Well, it's an update on this little bad boy. And it's the Bandai ATST. So I'm just going to move my camera so that you folks can see it. There you go. Yeah, this is the Bandai kit, and I did it when the world caught on fire. So even Wookiees stay at home and save lives. And there's Chewbacca there being swatted because he's out and about when he shouldn't have been, because we was in lockdown. And as you can see, it's done in the SWAT colours. We've got a bit of gunnage going on there, pointing at Chewie to tell him to behave himself. We got a dude poking his head out the top there, saying, "Oi, you, turn it in, will you?" We got the logos on the back, or the side even. And I've added some bits and pieces. I'll just get my pointer. I've added all the hydraulic pipes on the legs and all the joints and everywhere, as you can see, just to give it a little bit of reality. A few greebles gone on the back as well, just to give that a bit more definition. Bit of fanage with some dust and detritus, and yeah. And this was one of those little kits. You got the dudes there that were resin printed on my printer. But it was one of those little builds where the world had caught fire and everyone was having a bit of a mope, myself included. And I thought, well, I've got the ATST, and I thought, what can I do to bring it into the real world like I did with my cat, the AT-AT? And I just thought, this is something just that little bit different, folks. And hopefully you agree with me and you like it. But that has its pride of place next to the cat on me shelf in the man cave, and I see it every night sitting there looking at me. So yeah, if you fancy doing something different with one of these Bandai kits, grab one, because my brain tells me that although they're in sci-fi movies, something like this could really exist in the real world, couldn't it? And if it did, what would it be used for? And yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I've done with mine. And yeah, hopefully it'll give you guys and girls a bit of inspiration. And, you know, not every kit that you make has to be an out-of-the-box, as is thing. You can be creative. You can, if you've got a 3D printer, do some dudes, weather them up. Bit of the old grass and stuff like that. Yeah, just Festa bin Festa at the end of the day. So there you go, folks. That is a little quick update on how the Bandai ASAT or ATST even turned out. And yeah, look out for more of these little quirky Star Wars builds. I might do a little update on the Falcon and the TIE Fighter I did for you, just so that you can see what I did to them. It's not a dig at anyone that loves Star Wars. This is just me taking stuff that exists in these genres and putting them in the real world. So I hope you enjoyed this little update, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye bye for now.